is Nema Rebecca, a teacher from Butenga, Church of Uganda Primary School. The training has been very interesting because we have been finding difficulties in teaching some of those lessons. We've been lacking learning materials. And I think it's going to help learners because it is hand-on. And it's going to ease our work as teachers because we've been teaching a lot of abstract. But now learners are going to understand using concrete methods, using learning aids. I would like to thank our DEO, the DIS, who have organized this training, and we thank the Ministry of Education, the NDCD, in partnership with Riverflow International. Thank you very much for that training. I remain Nema Rebecca, a teacher at Butenga Church of Uganda Primary School.